The role of institutional culture in shaping quality assurance in higher education. This important article is authored by the following scientists. This chapter examines the relationship between institutional culture and quality assurance, QA, in higher education, analyzing how culture affects the effectiveness of QA practices and the overall performance of educational institutions. Broadly defined, institutional culture encompasses the shared values, beliefs, and practices that influence individual behavior within an institution. A robust quality culture fosters continuous improvement and promotes the effective involvement of all stakeholders in QA processes. The chapter elucidates the concept of institutional culture and its significance in stakeholder engagement, leadership effectiveness, and the execution of QA systems. It discusses various aspects, from external accountability measures and their influence on academic governance to how QA processes reshape institutional operations by establishing quality and performance metrics. Centralizing decision-making in this context often hampers innovation and curtails academic staff autonomy, leading to resistance to change that is rooted in established cultural norms. Key obstacles to the successful implementation of QA initiatives include staff resistance and student disengagement. The chapter also introduces the concept of institutional isomorphism, wherein institutions adopt similar QA practices due to external pressures, potentially resulting in a homogenization of approaches that may not be relevant to each institution's unique cultural context. Nonetheless, institutions can leverage their cultural strengths to enhance QA practices, cultivate a collaborative environment that encourages the sharing of best practices, and inspire innovative methods for quality enhancement. The chapter underscores the importance of leadership and stakeholder involvement in adopting and institutionalizing QA measures, anchoring these discussions in change management theories. Ultimately, a strong culture of quality is essential for the successful implementation of QA systems, enhancing the effectiveness and reputation that higher education institutions seek in competitive landscapes. By actively leveraging their cultural strengths, institutions can create QA processes that not only meet external standards but also resonate deeply with their mission and community, ultimately leading to a more effective and meaningful quality assurance framework. Introduction. This chapter explores how education can be a powerful tool for creating a fairer, more sustainable, and peaceful world. It focuses on Sustainable Development Goal, SDG, Target 4.7, which highlights the need for education to go beyond basic skills like reading and math. Instead, education should help people develop the knowledge, values, and abilities they need to solve global problems such as poverty, climate change, inequality, and health crisis. This kind of learning is called transformative education. Transformative education includes many themes such as education for sustainable development, human rights, gender equality, peace, and global citizenship. However, these areas are often treated separately, which can limit their overall impact. The chapter argues that instead of working in isolation, we need to connect these themes to create stronger, united strategies. The chapter aims to explain what makes education truly transformative and how the different parts of SDG Target 4.7 can work together. It also looks at how these ideas can be applied in sub-Saharan Africa, where education has the potential to spark major social progress. Ultimately, the goal is to encourage cooperation and more effective action to achieve lasting positive change through education. Conclusion. This summary looks at how the culture within a university or college affects efforts to improve the quality of education. A strong culture that values quality, shared through beliefs, attitudes, and everyday practices, can help everyone work together toward better results. Leadership plays a big part in this, as different leadership styles can influence how well quality improvement efforts are accepted and carried out. However, many people resist change because it feels uncertain or threatens long-standing habits. To overcome this, schools need to encourage flexibility, offer training, and include staff and students in the process. Starting with small pilot projects and celebrating early wins can also help reduce resistance. Success depends on creating an open, supportive environment where people are willing to try new ideas. In today's competitive education landscape, building this kind of quality-focused culture is key to achieving excellence and ensuring students receive the best possible education. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.